The golden rule of saving money is to spend less than you earn. This means that you should make sure that your expenses are lower than your income, and that you are able to save a portion of your income each month. By consistently saving money, you can build a financial cushion for emergencies, invest in your future, and achieve your financial goals. Here are a few examples of how you can follow the golden rule of money. Number 1. Create a budget. By setting a budget and tracking your spending, you can make sure that you are not overspending and that you are able to save money each month. Number 2. Set financial goals. Whether you want to save for a down payment on a house, pay off debt, or save for retirement, it is important to set financial goals and to work towards them consistently. Number 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Look for ways to cut unnecessary expenses, such as canceling subscriptions or memberships that you do not use frequently, or cutting back on dining out or other luxuries. Number 4. Shop around for the best prices. When shopping for essential items, such as groceries or household items, compare prices and look for sales or discounts to save money. By following the golden rule of saving money and making mindful financial decisions, you can save more money and achieve your financial goals.